The 22nd order of the day is consideration of two reports of Committee on Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring, standing in the name of Honorable Boma Goodhead.
Comprises Ikole and Oye local government. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Ekiti State, the very first state in which our National Assembly caucus has unanimously endorsed the tax bills. Mr. Speaker, I rise on behalf of Honorable Boma Goodhead. Mr. Speaker, I rise on behalf of Honorable Boma Goodhead. Mr. Speaker.
Order, please.
Mr.
Order,
Speaker,
order.
Protected, Mr. Speaker.
He's expressing his personal opinion. Please go ahead, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Order, order,
Mr.
order,
Speaker,
please.
I am protected. Honorable colleagues, I am protected. Honorable colleagues, I am protected, please. Please. Thank you.
Order, 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 please. Order.
Thank you very much.
Order, order, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, order, order, please. Order.
No, this is very expensive. We don't accept this.
What did you say? Talk to what you are representing here.
Thank you very much.
We are not talking about tax bills. Please.
Mr. Speaker,
Honorable colleagues,
I withdraw that introduction.
he has withdrawn.
Yes, sir.
He has withdrawn that statement, please. He has withdrawn it. Please. Order, 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 please. Order. Order.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Mr. Speaker, I withdraw that introduction. I withdraw the introduction. I will introduce myself properly. Mr. Speaker, can I have the opportunity to speak?
Please, honorable colleagues. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Honorable Rotimi, please, you know this is a controversial issue. I wouldn't want you to be mentioning things that are not relevant to the subject matter. So please, on your behalf, I have withdrawn that statement you have made. Please, let us not repeat it, okay? Please go ahead and raise your motion.
Thank you very much, Akintunde Jr. And I rise on behalf of Honorable Boma Goodhead. Mr. Speaker, I would like to withdraw that introduction, sir. Honorable colleagues, I would like to withdraw that introduction and restrict it to the order paper. My name is Akintunde Jr. I represent the good people of Ekiti North 1 Federal Constituency comprising Ikole and Oye local government. Mr. Speaker, I'm from the land of honor, Ekiti State, Nigeria. Full stop. Thank you very much, honorable colleagues. I rise on behalf of Honorable Boma Goodhead, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, that the House do consider the report of the committee of the Committee on Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring on a bill for an act to repeal the Nigeria Oil and Gas Industry Act number 2, 2010 and enact the Nigeria Oil and Gas Industry Content Act to establish Nigeria Content Development and Monitoring Board and provide for the legal framework, structures, and the programs for the strengthening of the Nigerian content in the Nigerian oil and gas industry and for related matters, HB 1039, and approve the recommendations therein. Mr. Speaker, the report was laid on the 19th of November 2024. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Any seconder? Honorable colleagues, Abba, please, I beg you. This has nothing to do with the tax bills. Please, I beg you.
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I seek the leave of the House and Mr. Speaker to step down because the presentation of this report until the next legislative day, Mr. Speaker. Okay. Thank you, sir.
If you choose to do so, the bill is stepped down by the leave of the House. The members to serve are as follows. Honorable Usman Bello Kumo will be the chairman. Honorable Ali Agaye, Honorable Kilechi Nwagu, Honorable Sada Soli Jibia, Honorable Zainab Gimba, Honorable Zakaria Yampa Dauda, Honorable Pascal Abodike, Honorable Ebika K. Maria, Honorable Solomon Wombo, and Honorable Stanley Adedeji. Thank you very much.